Welcome back to the channel where I talk about different topics related to business and marketing. Today we're going to discuss one of the most crucial aspects of marketing, which is the STP. STP stands for segmentation, targeting, and positioning. But what does STP mean, and why is it important for businesses? Let's say you're selling a product or service. How do you decide who to sell it to, how to promote it, and what message to convey? This is where the STP comes in. In this video, we're going to explore the STP marketing model in detail with examples and explain how it can help your business succeed. Firstly, let's start with segmentation. Segmentation is the process of dividing a market into smaller groups of customers with similar needs and characteristics. Think about it. Not all customers are the same. They have different needs, preferences, and behaviors. Segmentation allows businesses to identify and target specific groups that are most likely to buy their product or service. For example, let's say you're a car company. You wouldn't market the same car to a family with children as you would to a young single professional. Once you have identified the different segments, the next step is targeting. Targeting is the process of selecting the most attractive segments to focus on. This is important because businesses have limited resources and cannot target everyone. By focusing on the most profitable segments, businesses can maximize their returns on investment. For example, if you are selling a luxury watch, you're more likely to target high-income individuals rather than students who may not have budget for it. Finally, positioning. This is the process of creating a unique image and identity for your product and service in the minds of your target customers. This is where businesses can differentiate themselves from their competitors by creating a unique value propositions and communicate it effectively. For example, Apple positions its products as premium, high quality, and user-friendly, while Samsung positions its products as innovative, cutting-edge, and technologically advanced. In conclusion, STP is a fundamental marketing model that can help businesses identify and target their most profitable segments, differentiate themselves from their competitors, and communicate their unique value propositions. By implementing the STP model, businesses can increase their chances of success and growth. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and interesting. And if you did, please like it and you may consider subscribing to the channel. This is all from me for today, but we can catch up in the next video. Until then, peace out.